In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master page numbers using Google Docs. Whether you're drafting an academic paper or creating a polished business report, numbering your pages in a clear and organized way can make a huge difference. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Google Docs and log into your account. If you're already signed in, simply go to the Google Docs homepage. This will get us started on the right track with everything at our fingertips. Once you're in, either locate the existing document that you want to work on or start fresh by creating a new one. To start a new document, just click on blank from your Google Docs dashboard and you'll be taken to a new page where you can begin. Now that you're in your document, let's proceed by clicking on Insert in the top menu. This will open up a drop-down list that contains multiple options to modify your document in really interesting ways, including adding charts, images, tables, and much more. But today we are focusing specifically on setting up your page numbers. In the Insert menu, look for the option named Page Numbers, which is cleverly tucked away under Page Elements. Clicking on this allows you to effortlessly control where and how your page numbers appear in the document. You can customize them to be either in the header or footer, depending on your preference or project requirements. After selecting page numbers, you'll be greeted with preferences for their position. You can choose whether you want the numbers at the top, bottom, or some other custom placement depending on what looks best for your needs. Once you have your page numbers set, let's customize them further. Highlight the number that appears either in the header or footer, whichever spot you've chosen. If you prefer a numbered list format instead of the standard numbering, here's a quick shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus 7 if you're using a Windows computer or plus Shift plus 7 on a Mac. This toggles your numbers into a universally used numbered list format, guiding your viewer's eye seamlessly through the content. And finally, if you wish for a more classical touch, such as using Roman numerals for your illustration or appendices, simply open the numbered list drop-down from the toolbar. From here, you can select Roman numerals to effortlessly transform your page numbers into I, key, and so forth, adding that extra touch of flair and professionalism to your document. There you have it. Now you know how to insert and style page numbers in Google Docs. Feel free to revisit this video as often as you like as you become more familiar with Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing to masterfully organize and enhance all your future documents.